Hi, welcome to 120 Riverside Drive. Riverside Drive is located on the Maumee River in Riverside Commons. That is only one of the many amenities that's going to set us apart from those others you're going to see. Come on inside and take a look. Hopefully you enjoyed your tour. This is a one of a kind. I don't know about you, but when I walked out here, I was like, wow, this is what I'm talking about. Easy to maintain, it's quaint, it's private, you've got the river, you got sun, no sun, it's your call. If you have any questions or need anything, give us a call. Thanks.